Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick tool haul to show you guys from Harbor Freight. Today is the 21st of August. I picked these up yesterday, which was the 20th. It was Friday. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I did pick up a couple things from Harbor Freight. Yesterday, Friday, was August 20th. Today is the 21st. So I figured I'd show you guys the items I picked up, and then I'll do a unboxing and we'll talk more about them in the next video. Alright, so this I can pass up for $19. This is Pneumatic's 30-foot retractable test lead set. These are not easy to find in larger sets. Most of these are pretty pricey on Amazon. Like 25 feet is like 50-60 bucks on Amazon. This one, the SKU number is 58024. 58024. For $19 for 30 feet, that's actually a pretty awesome deal, in my opinion. I did go to another Harbor Freight. I did pick up a bunch of stuff from that store. We have some Harbor Freight bags right there, which is was on the same day. I went to two different Harbor Freights that yesterday. I picked up this Syntec 12-volt battery alternator tester. Figured maybe it would be handy to keep this around and see how it does. I plan to use this in the future just to mess around with it, give you guys other options. If this does work as an alternator tester, because it's got alternator on this side and battery on this side. If it works well, it might be a cheaper option. It's like $5 for this guy than buying a $300 crank tester, which I do have those. This is a 12-volt alternator battery tester as well. It's just a different style. This one is 63592. This is a Pittsburgh. This one's a Syntec. This one's Pittsburgh Automotive, actually. Allows you to troubleshoot 12-volt charging systems. Alternator check. It's got a battery check. It's pretty similar to this one. It's got three lights. But this one you could hook up directly to the battery. This one you could just test it through your lighter attachment or your 12-volt source. This guy right here I picked up. This is a computer safe automotive logic probe. It's new. I've never seen it at Harbor Freight. It is 63597. Made by Syntec. Figured, that's not bad. 14 or 12 bucks. I think this is what this was with tax. It was like 14 bucks, something like that. Not bad at all. Test power and ground voltages. Insulated 3.5 inch. Test probe. I do like diagnostic equipment, and I do tend to buy lots of different diagnostic equipment from Harbor Freight. I was actually at my Casa Grande. This is where I got this. It was Casa Grande Harbor Freight. I was actually there for that little trailer, 4-way trailer harness tester. I lost the one I had. I don't know where it went. It's supposed to be somewhere in this orange cart, which is my electrical cart, but I couldn't find it. And Casa Grande didn't have anything, and I didn't want to waste the gas, to be honest, for nothing. So I picked up some other things. This is a 7-pin to 4-flat trailer adapter used to connect the 7-pin round connector on the vehicle to a flat 4 connector on the trailer. Figured this would be handy to have in the future. And this was only like $8, $9, something like that. And this one's from Kenway. It's 64494. just going to be a quick video of things that was picked up. I'm going to slide this back towards the, there we go. At that Harbor Freight. This is everything that I picked up. It's not a lot. This was like 60 bucks right here total. Everything right here was 60, like 8 bucks if I remember correct. So yeah, 68 bucks is what it was. It's like 68.29 or something like that. I think I put the receipt in here. Nope, it was $58. I'm sorry. It was not 68. It was $58. So the 12 volt, this one right here, this one was $6.99. This one was $3.99. The Logic probe, this one right here was $9.99. This was $12.99, and this one was $19.99. So it was $58.92 with tax. Not too bad at all. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. The next video, we're just going to rip these out of the packaging real quick. And I will have upcoming videos for these items. When I'm feeling a lot better than I am now. Still sick. I got over it and then I ended up getting sick again. But, you know, I also picked up a smaller version of this one, I think at Lowe's, I think. I don't remember. It might have been the other Harbor Freight. I picked up the smaller version. But that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick video, just showing you guys what all I picked up. We'll do a unboxing of everything and I'll go over the information on each item. That way you guys have that information. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I also do, at the top of the description below, also do have a Ulsa Tools link that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order. So if when you use it, it does help me out as well. All links are affiliate links. I do get a commission from all of them. Very tiny commission. Whether you give me money on PayPal because you like the video content, or you give me a super chat and a live stream, or you guys subscribe to the members, all the money is helpful. No matter what amount it is, it all goes back into the channel. I didn't purchase any of these with channel money. These are things that I purchased because I figured they will come in handy down the road, and I can use this Logic probe. I'd end up testing computers a lot more than most. Do appreciate you guys' time. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!